Azure AI Search already extracts the exact answer span for you. You skip building a separate reader or extraction model. Enable semantic ranking, ask for answers, and it returns verbatim text. Each answer arrives with a highlight string and a confidence score. This is for engineers building enterprise search or retrieval augmented generation. Semantic answers return up to 10 spans per query. The reader model behind it runs at no extra token cost. Here is the plan, end to end, in 3 moves. First, add a semantic configuration to your search index. Second, run a semantic query that requests answers and captions. Third, parse the spans and render the highlights. One gotcha will bite you 2 scenes from now. Empty answers are completely normal on real data. I will show the exact fallback that saves you. Here is how the pieces wire together. Your Python client sends a natural language query. Azure AI Search retrieves and re-ranks the top 50 results. The semantic ranker extracts answer spans from those documents. It also generates captions with inline highlight markers. Your app reads the spans and paints them for the user. First, define a semantic configuration on your index. It names the title field, the content fields, and keyword fields. The ranker reads these to locate the best answer span. Point the content field at real prose, not metadata. Chunk long documents before indexing, or spans get diluted. Without this configuration, semantic queries fail with a clear error. You set it once at index creation or update. Now the query itself. Set query type to semantic and name your configuration. Request extractive answers and pick a count. The same call returns captions with highlight markers. Keep the search text as a plain question. Answers live on the results object, not inside each document. Read the get answers collection before looping documents. Each answer gives you text, a highlight string, and a score. Filter on score to drop weak matches, around 0.7. Fall back to per document captions when answers are empty. The highlights wrap matches in M tags you can restyle. Here is the gotcha that trips teams up. Semantic ranking needs the basic tier or higher. You also enable the semantic ranker on the service. Answers return empty when no span scores high enough. That is expected behavior, not a failure. Always render captions as your fallback path. And treat confidence scores as relative, not calibrated probabilities. To verify, run a known question and inspect the answers array. You should see a span, a score, and highlight markup. No answers but strong captions still counts as working. Watch your query volume, since semantic ranking is built separately. Tiers and pricing shift, so check the current Azure docs. Clone the sample and point it at your own index. If this helped, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.